Hi! Today we work on walking bass on the accordion using the tune After You've Gone. I start with the half walking bass using half notes. In each bar I play the root and the fifth of the chord. If there are two chords in one bar, I play only the root of each chord. In the second exercise, I expand the half walking bass. In the places where the harmony moves forward strongly, like 2-5 or 5-1 progressions, I add 1/4 note passing tone. This note connects the fifth of the one chord to the root of the next chord. In this exercise, I add another quarter notes, this time as a leading tone into the next chord. Whenever the chord changes and there's space for it, I use a tone that leads smoothly into the root of the following chord. Now I fill the entire bar with quarter notes. To complete the bar, I add one more chord tone, usually the third, fifth or seventh. All examples here are written out in the PDF, link below. Use them as a starting point and build your own walking bass lines from them.